Catherine Bernardo speaks up about Daniel Padilla's alleged jealousy issue over a certain Glee actor who was photographed whispering something to Catherine during a mall show. Catherine says Daniel was just joking around when they were asked about it in an interview.
Binibulungan ko yung Gayer ng baka sinasabi nila, kung ano nagsiselos
Hindi, yun nga, dami kumalat na pictures. Pero, hello, international, grabe naman yun. Parang may tinatanong siya nun kasi, di ko actually matandaan kung ano yung pinag-uusapan. Basta naman doon na picture naman nila, pero,
hindi kailangan patanungin eh. Hindi sila patanungin. Pero nagsiselos daw sa iyo.
Nag-joke lang sa kasi nga, yung mga fans nga, na-picture lang talaga nila ng pero, wala, ano lang, sakto lang naman sa busy. Alam mo yun, hindi naman super over na seloso. Yung tama lang. So, nakakatawa lang siya.
Catherine does admit that Daniel gets jealous sometimes, but he does not go overboard.
Pero ano kung sa'yo? Oo. Alam mo? Oo. Ano ginagawa mo pa gano'n? Ano, pag may kasalanan ka kasi, parang, or may misunderstanding ka, tahimik na lang. So, yun, kung sino yung may kasalanan, kung siya, or kung ako, magkano ka na lang, sorry, gano'n.
In the meantime, Catherine also speaks up about brewing rivalry issues with Star Magic Rising star Julia Barreto. Netizens say that they are the newest showbiz rivals to watch out for.
Ako kasi talaga yung compare ko talaga. And I'm sure naman kahit sino tao, ayaw nila na nakukompare. So, ayun, may iba naman akong personality, meron akong ibang goal, kung ano talaga yung gusto ko. So, I'm sure naman si Julia ayaw ko niya na, alam mo yun, yung sinakompare siya. So, ginagawa ko lang kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin. Sila na yung bahala.
Catherine hopes that she and Julia will not be caught between negative issues.
Hindi naman talaga siya, di ba, para siyang si Tita Gets it. So, sana huwag na lang nila gawa ng issue or something.
There are also some speculations that Danielle might be paired with Julia in a project in the future.
Siyempre, hindi ko na maiwasan talaga i-pair din si DJ sa iba. Well, yun, depende sa management and kung ano talaga yung plans nila for DJ. And of course, ako, dadating din naman sa kanya if pair din ako sa iba.
He asked how their loyal fans might react if Danielle will be paired with other actresses. She says,
Possessive kasi talaga yung castles.
in the meantime, Catherine looks forward to what's in store for her and Danielle. They will be working on their first horror movie under Star Cinema soon.
Of course, very excited kasi nga, bago naman siya, hindi naman love story, more on horror siya. Well, may love story, pero syempre mag-focus yung story sa, ano siya, medyo creepy yung story niya. So, ayun, excited kasi first horror movie ko to with Daniel.
From Catriel's upcoming movie, here is another big screen treat that is sure to be another box office hit. We've got Chardon here on Real Time.